Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestyle DIYW. It's Flipping Decor, and I am bringing to you today one easy DIY. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for all the notifications on YouTube. Let's get to it. Here's the front porch hello sign I made, and all you simply need are a poster board sign, a mason jar, some twine, some super glue or E6000, hot glue, black and white paint, a few brushes, and a bunch of flowers, and there you have it. Nothing too crazy. So I had leftover a Dollar Tree sign, and I used the back of it. I also used the lettering from Dollar Tree. I didn't use the actual letters. I used the actual stencil around the vinyl letters. And all I did was simply place the letters, make sure that they fit well. And I simply dabbed some black acrylic paint inside of the stencil, just so that way it can be nice and thin when I took the sticker off. And I just went across the entire thing. One thing I did have to do, I had to resize the two L's because I didn't have enough space all the way across for the O. Once I did that, it dried really quickly. And I just took my paintbrush and I went over everything as you see here. And after I painted the board and placed the stickers and let it dry, I removed the vinyl sticker as you see me pulling off here. And I gently pulled it off. There were pieces that I just had to dab a little bit and go over it. But for the most part, it dried completely awesomely and beautifully like I liked it. And I just took the paintbrush again and went over the pieces that I had to just fill in with the black paint. And I just added the remainder of the white just so that way it looked more authentic. I had these self-adhesive hooks that I painted. I used one. And I just made sure I measured it and found the center and adhered that with some glue. I went over it with the white brush as well so it could look, cohesive. And I took the twine and wrapped it around the jar, nothing too crazy, and I just pulled the twine up through the hole of the top of the jar, and I just made sure that it was enough to hang. I measured it to make sure it wasn't hanging too low or it wasn't too short, and tied a bow, and there you have it. And I added my flowers. The only tip that I really want you guys to understand is making sure that the jar is not too heavy, that it's not pulling the hook or anything like that. If you feel like your hook is not adhered enough to the board, make sure you glue it, down very well. And here's the finished look of the sign. I thought it came out amazing, guys. I really, really did. This is something super easy. All Dollar Tree items except for the flowers, but they have the same similar flowers that you can use. You can use any type of flowers or whatever. I thank you for watching, and make sure you tune into my next DIY project. I'm going to be releasing the guest half bathroom refresh that I did with all Dollar Tree products. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.